Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to extract numbers from text in Excel using two different methods, the traditional formulas and the new text split function available in Office 365. Let's dive right in. Here, I have a dataset in column B where each cell contains an item number and its quantity in the shown format. Our goal is to extract the item number into one column and the quantity into another. First, let's look at the traditional method. In column D, I will use the mid formula to extract the item number, hence equal mid function, open bracket, then select the text. Use the find function to locate the first colon in the text. Then add 2 to the position to start extracting characters just after the colon, and then the number of characters will be 5, as we need to extract the item number. Finally, use the trim function to clean up any extra spaces from the extracted text. This formula works by finding the position of the colon, moving 2 characters forward, and then extracting the next 5 characters. It's a bit complex, but it gets the job done. For the quantity in column E, I will use the right formula to extract only the 2 characters. This takes the last 2 characters from the text in column B, which represents the quantity. These formulas are great if you're working with older versions of Excel. Now let's move on to the new and improved method using the TEXTSPLIT function, which is available in Office 365. In cell D4, I will use the TEXTSPLIT formula, for example, equal the double hyphen. To convert the extracted text into a number so that we can use it as numeric data in calculations or analysis, enter the text split function, then cell B4 as a text argument. For the column delimiter, I will enter both item and quantity words within a curly brace followed by a semicolon and a space within the double quotes. Leave the row delimiter and ignore empty as true. This function is a game changer. It splits the text in column B into separate parts based on the delimiter's item and QTY. The double hyphen converts the extracted text into numbers. As you can see, it's much simpler and cleaner than the traditional method. So whether you're using older versions of Excel or the latest Office 365, you now have 2 powerful ways to extract data from text. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.